Hi and welcome to Pebbles channel. So we have been seeing the different parts of speech, that is noun, verb, pronoun, adjectives, adverbs, and our today's topic will be conjunction. So we have seen that noun is the name of a particular name, place, animal or thing. A verb is an action word or a doing word. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. And adjectives tells us more about the verb in the sentence. And an adverb tells us about an adjective, a verb or another adverb and answers the question how, when, where and how much. And we've seen the adverbs are of three main types, that is adverb of time, adverb of manner and adverb of place. Adverb of time answers the question when, adverb of manner answers the question how, and adverb of place answers the question where. So these are all the topics that we have been seeing for so long. So today our topic will be conjunction. So our topic for today is conjunction. So let us see, what do you mean by conjunction? So a conjunction is a word we use to combine words, phrases or sentences. Say for example, we have two separate sentences and we want to make it as one sentence. Then we use a word to connect both the sentences. And that word is called a conjunction. So a conjunction is a word we use to combine words, phrases or sentences. So when we say bat, ball and we want to say together, then we say bat and ball. So the word hand that is used to combine both the words bat and ball is the conjunction in the sentence. So the most common conjunctions are, so we will be seeing only the most common conjunctions, that is and, but and or. So these are the most common conjunctions that we use every day, and they are and, but and or. So let us see what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word we use to combine words, phrases or sentences. So a conjunction is nothing but a word that we use to combine words, phrases or sentences. And the most common conjunctions that we use are and, but and or. So let us see some examples using these common conjunctions. So the first one is, Mum told me to clean my room dash brush my teeth before bed. So I want to combine both these sentences, and what is the word that is what comes in between to combine these two sentences? So Mum told me to clean my room and brush my teeth before bed. So I write the word and. So the word and becomes the conjunction. So the word and is the conjunction. Mum told me to clean my room and brush my teeth before bed. The next sentence I have, I am not sure if I want vanilla dash chocolate cake for my party. So they're giving us an option, either one. So when you're given an option, you use the word or. I'm not sure if I want vanilla or chocolate cake for my party. So I add the conjunction or. I am not sure if I want vanilla or chocolate cake for my party. The third sentence is, which is your favorite food? Pizza dash hamburgers. So again an option is given. So whenever you're given an option, you use the conjunction or. Which is your favorite food? Pizza or hamburgers. So you're going to select any one food, either pizza or hamburgers. The next sentence is, we bought pencils, notebooks, dash crayons to take to school. So we are taking all the stationery. So then we use the word and. We bought pencils, notebooks and crayons to take to school. The last one, would you rather stay home dash go out to eat? Again, they're giving us an option or a choice. So at that time we use the word or the conjunction or. Would you rather stay home or go out to eat? So a conjunction is a word we use to combine words, phrases or sentences, and the most common conjunctions are and, but or. Mum told me to clean my room and brush my teeth before bed. I am not sure if I want vanilla or chocolate cake for my party. Which is your favorite food, pizza or hamburgers? We bought pencils, notebooks and crayons to take to school. Would you rather stay home or go out to eat? So we have used the common conjunctions like and, or, and or. So these are the common conjunctions that are being used. So our today's topic is conjunctions, and we will be doing some more exercises based on conjunctions.